Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a really quick follow-up video to show you how to add the time and date that the review was submitted, because that was requested. It's already in the code, I just didn't do it on my site, so sorry for not showing you that. So here's a quick video to show you how. All you need to do is add the text. Let's just go with something small. You can change it up, of course. And this is going to be review date and time. And it doesn't matter what you put in there, it's going to be replaced. Your property ID is going to be called submission time. I don't know why it's erroring, unless it's not in here. Oh, without the asterisk, or the number sign, sorry. There we go, everybody's happy. Okay, so this is the code that tells this to fill in the time. The time and date is a system-created piece of your database, so you don't need to add it to your database, it's already there. If you deleted this section because it was showing an error because you didn't have this in there originally, this is the code you need, and I'll copy and paste it in the comments because I can't add it in the description. If you copy and pasted the code that I did in my previous videos, then it's already there. So like I said, you can just go to the search and look for time, and if it's there, you don't need to add anything. Otherwise, copy the code I'm going to post and add it underneath data setup, I think is where it is. No? It is under repeater setup. Let's just make sure it's not in here more than once. Time. And it is under repeater setup. Okay, so that's where you need to add it. So you'll just look for repeater setup in your code and go down to the bottom before date setup and just paste it in right there. So that's all you need to do, and it should work. If you want to see it in action, let's preview. And there you go, date and time. Let me know if you have any other questions.